So hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of the LG 24-inch LED IPS LED monitor model 24MP56, and this one is a actually 23.8 inch, the diagonal dimension. So it's a full HD 1920 by 1080 with a 5 millisecond G to G or gray to gray response time, 250 nit. So it has an HDMI and a D sub interface, and according to its specs, this is a panel type IPS, which is stands for Advanced High Performance IPS, and power consumption says 22 watts, EPA standard. And okay, so let's see what's inside. So I got this from Costco. So what we have is the stand, papers, the base of the stand, the base, the stand, power adapter, and the DVD and manual, CD and manual, sorry. And slide. So here it is. So as you can see here, oops, the vessel is actually very nice. It's too small. If you can see, it's very nicely sized. So it's like you can put if you have a dual monitor or even quad monitor. And so the interface is right here. So you have D sub or the VGA. You have a headphone, and you have HDMI, and the power adapter goes here. And yeah, so okay, let's try to put it together. There. So you put it there, you screw it in there. Then put it in there, and there it is. See how thin it is.